Welcome to day 3 and my last day in Udaipur. This is the Doodh Talai lake, I guess. Time is 11 in the morning. I have checked out from my room. Or saman vagera, bags and all I have kept in the reception. Right there you can see in the far those ropeways are working. People are going up the Karni temple to get a view of the city by ropeway. But best time is to go in the evening during sunset, so I'll be skipping that. I'll try to complete it in the evening if possible. Took the ticket in Lake Pichola for boating. 150 per person, 9 to 6 in the evening you can come. Let's go and see the view from the boat. My boat for the day. Done with the boat riding at Lake Pichola. Lovely. 150 rupees only. Other places Lal Ghat, Gangaur Ghat. I don't remember many ghats and many places. The prices were 300 rupees till 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock the prices are 400 for adults, for Indians, and for foreigners different prices. 300, 700 like this, I don't remember. But when you come, do come to Lake Pichola. Type in Google Lake Pichola Municipal Boating Corporation. These are the boating corporation run by the government, so they are quite cheap, very cheap compared to others. Others are charging a lot. You just have to walk 1.5 kilometers from Jagdish temple. You'll reach this spot, and 150 rupees per person boat ride. 20 to 30 minutes it will take. It will take you around the Taj Lake Palace, Oberoi Villas, where Ye Jawani Hai Diwani was shot, then Jag Mandir, then he'll return back. Lovely, worth it. And also their timing is 9 to 6:30. The last boat is at 6 o'clock most probably. The sunset is at 6:30. So if you want to get a glimpse of sunset, come and take a boat ride at 6. साइकिल स्टोर नियर दूध तलाई. यहाँ पे रेंट भी मिलता है. आइए पूछते हैं भैया से कितना क्या चार्जेस है. भैया चार्जेस कितना है साइकिल का?
80 रुपये पर आवर है.
ये जो इलेक्ट्रिक साइकिल है इसका ना,
नॉर्मल का 20 रुपये घंटा है.
नॉर्मल का 20 रुपीज़ पर आवर. इलेक्ट्रिक का चार्ज कितना घंटा रहेगा?
ये 40 किलोमीटर चलता है एक बार पे.
40 किलोमीटर. इसे उदयपुर में जहाँ भी ले सकते हैं ना. ठीक है भैया, थैंक यू. भैया अभी क्या बन रहा है?
हेलमेट पेपर का नोटबुक.
अच्छा, ये सब कितना क्या प्राइस रहता है इसका? रेंजेस
सबका अलग अलग है. ये वाला साइज 350 है.
कितना पेजेस रहेगा? 240 ना. और छोटे वाले का?
छोटे वाले का 20 है, 40 है, 100, 200.
अच्छा, ये सब चीज़ जो यहाँ पे टंगा हुआ है, बैग्स वगैरह खुद आप लोग बनाते हो?
नहीं बनाते, बाकी डायरी सारा यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, सब लेदर का चीज़ ना. ये जगदीश टेम्पल के सामने लेदर का दुकान. दुकान का नाम क्या? कृष्णा हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स. ये सब चीज़ जो देख रहे हैं आप, ये भैया लोग बनाते हैं. बैग्स वगैरह खाली बाहर से आता है. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन कम एंड बाय एनी ऑफ दीज. Done with the lunch and I am outside the largest palace complex of Rajasthan, the city palace of Udaipur. Taking the tickets, let's go in. enter the city palace. I have taken 2 tickets. One is the entry ticket to the museum, 300 rupees for adults, and another is one audio tour which is for 200 rupees. I did not want to take the audio tour, but as I have time, so I thought that let's take the audio ticket and see what it has to offer. City Palace of Udaipur is the largest palace complex in the whole of Rajasthan. It was created in 1559 by the founder of Udaipur, Uday Singh II. The initial capital of Mewar Kingdom was in Chittor rather. Then they shifted it to Udaipur. So this palace was started around 1559. And over 400 years, other rulers also have contributed to the palace. So let's go and see how the palace is. I'll show you something interesting if I find it inside. Starting my audio tour in City Palace Udaipur. City Palace tour is still going on with this audio guide, and look what I found. The movies which are shoot here, and one of the prominent movies shoot in City Palace is this one. It's Travelers Like Me Love. Done with the City Palace of Udaipur tour, audio tour. It was okay. Audio tour was okay. There were total 35 points. It was showing what all are there and what all things are there. If you have time, then you can go inside the museum by paying 300 and visit, like I did. Otherwise, you can pay 30 rupees and come here, enjoy the view from the outside, go here inside and see the view from Lake Pichola. This thing behind me is the residence of the Prince of Udaipur. It's nearly 4:15, done with the tour. Here at the Pichola Lake, skipped my plan of going to the Karni Mata temple for sunset. That is it from Udaipur. My trip is over in Udaipur. Tonight I am going to Jaisalmer.